snel contact hebben. Dus het antwoord is ja.
I also hope, if I may add, that two even bigger fishes than Mr. Khalid Latif are Mr. Rضوی, a political leader in Pakistan, but also Mr. Jalaly, a mullah from Pakistan, who put fatwas on my head in the last few years for 5 times. And those are, I believe, even more serious, because I feel every day that people threaten to kill me because of their fatwa. So I hope now today that not only the Dutch prosecutor will also prosecute the mullah Jalaly and the Rضوی, the political leader in Pakistan, for putting fatwas on my head, but also that finally the message will come through to those radicals in Pakistan that it will not pay off, that you actually at the end of the day will pay a high price if you try and invoke the killing of people around the world who criticize